Fabrics and hot glue. What you need to know.
Hello everyone. Today we're diving into the world of fabrics and hot glue. This might seem like an unusual combination, but it's a common scenario in the world of crafting and DIY. Specifically, we'll be discussing if there's a specific fabric type from which hot glue shouldn't be removed.
What is hot glue?
Hot glue is a form of adhesive that is melted and applied using a glue gun. It's loved for its strong hold and quick drying properties. However, when it comes into contact with fabrics, it can sometimes cause issues, especially when you need to remove it. Hot glue, once hardened, can be difficult to remove without damaging some types of fabric.
Are there fabrics that shouldn't have hot glue removed from them?
Yes, there are. In general, delicate, thin, or heat-sensitive fabrics are most at risk of damage when trying to remove hot glue. These include 1. Silk. Silk is a delicate fabric that can easily be damaged by the heat necessary to remove hot glue. 2. Rayon. This fabric is also sensitive to heat and can be damaged during the hot glue removal process. 3. Thin cotton. While cotton is generally durable, very thin cotton fabrics can be damaged when trying to remove hot glue.
How can you safely remove hot glue from fabric?
While some fabrics are more susceptible to damage, there are ways to mitigate the risk when removing hot glue. Here are some general guidelines. 1. Let the glue cool completely. Trying to remove hot glue while it's still warm may cause more fabric damage. 2. Scrape off excess glue. Use a dull knife or a spoon edge to gently scrape off as much glue as possible. 3. Use a freezer. For small items, you can place the fabric with the glue spot into the freezer. The cold will make the glue brittle, which can often be gently cracked and peeled away. 4. Iron it off. For durable fabrics, you can place a piece of cotton fabric over the hardened glue and iron on a low setting. The heat will soften the glue, making it easier to peel off. Remember, always perform a spot test when trying these methods for the first time, and never use these methods on the delicate fabrics mentioned above. That's all for today. We hope this information helps you understand which fabrics can be problematic when it comes to removing hot glue, and how you can safely remove hot glue from most fabrics. Always remember to take care when working with hot glue and fabrics, and choose the right method for your specific fabric type. Happy crafting!